So all these three image generators, they are completely different in their strength. So let's look into them. So this first one here, the Adobe Firefly. It's actually Adobe's AI image generator integrated directly into the Photoshop's, Illustrators, and Creative Cloud ecosystem. So it focuses heavily on the commercial, safe AI generation, fast editing, and designer workflows. The Midjourney here is the king of cinematic AI art. So it runs mainly through Discord and is famous for creating insanely detailed aesthetic movie-like images with minimal props. And Leonardo here. The Leonardo AI is the flexible powerhouse. It combines image generation, custom models, and advanced control, like making it popular among creators and indie developers. So now let's check out the positives of these platforms here. So Adobe Firefly, it's extremely beginner friendly, it's fast and clean interface, and it's commercially safer for brands and businesses, and it's great for text effects, marketing visuals, and editing workflows. It's best for designers, marketers, and agencies and Adobe users. The Midjourney here is has the best looking AI art overall. It has incredible realism and cinematic quality, and it has amazing lighting, check textures, and compositions. It's best for artists and creative content creators, or filmmakers, or even social media content creators as well. The Leonardo AI has powerful customization controls, and it's great for game assets and character designs. It has more affordable flexibility, and it's best for like game developers or advanced creators and AI enthusiasts. On the drawbacks here, the Adobe Firefly can be less creative compared to Midjourney, and you have limited artistic depth for high-end AI art. And Midjourney here as well, it has a Discord workflow which confuses beginners, and you have less editing precision. And commercial licensing might be some issue for some business. And the Leonardo AI also has some drawbacks, like the interface can feel overwhelmingly initial, and the results can vary depending on models, and it requires more tweaking for your perfect outputs. So if you're a beginner, or if you're like a designer or a business user, go with Adobe Firefly because it's fast, professional, and fits perfectly. But if you want the best visual quality, then Midjourney still dominates it. But if you want like maximum control and value, then Leonardo AI is probably the smartest choice. So at the end of the day, the best AI image created depends on what you create. Like Midjourney wins in beauty, Firefly wins in workflow, and Leonardo wins in versatility.